நாம ஜெயிச்சிட்டோம் மாறா, ஜெயிச்சிட்டோம்.
T20 World Cup after 17 years. The drought is over. An ICC tournament after 13. They all go to ground. They worked extremely hard for this. Have a look at the support staff there. It means so much. Unbeaten in this tournament. They've held their nerve when it mattered most. And under pressure.